Bob, what should I be aware of in terms of tax abatement these days?
Well, tax abatement, the idea of a tax abatement came about as a way to encourage builders to construct more housing for people. In return for constructing those houses, the city basically said, okay, your property will be tax abated for a period of time. Tax abatement means either zero or very low taxes for a period of time. Now that the housing market is strong and the prices are so high, and there's been a little bit of rebellion against the idea of tax abatements for wealthy projects. Pretty much the idea of tax abatements has gone away. However, if you are in a tax abated property, say you bought 10 years ago and you may have had a 15-year tax abatement, well, that tax abatement is going to run out in a couple years, and you should really decide whether or not you want to move, sell your property, and go somewhere else, take it to having taken advantage of the 10 years or so of tax abatement, and go somewhere else and buy a different property. Because when you get ready to sell, if you're in, say, it's a 15-year tax abatement, if you're in the 14th year, the buyer is going to see that you're paying no or low taxes in year 14 and realize that in year 15 probably your taxes are going to go to fair market value. So theoretically your taxes could go from hundreds of dollars a year to thousands or tens of thousands of dollars a year depending on the type of property you own. So if you were lucky enough to have a property that had tax abatement, you should really check your calendar and make sure you know when that runs out, and you should probably make a decision whether you're going to be out before then or you are just going to continue to live there, but understand that you're going to have a very big a very big hike in your real estate taxes. So that's what you need to know about tax abatements.